Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so we are on day number 16 and this is my journey through the Flylady's 31 baby steps. Okay, so today we're going to talk about motivation. Alright, so we have been on this journey now for 15 whole days. Today is a new day, day number 16, and we are continuing to build our routines. And the thing that I'm learning with routines is the power of consistency. I don't like to be consistent with a lot of things, and that's why I've had such a hard time building routines, because it's easy to just quit. But routines are important and they help you become successful. So we're going to keep plugging along. We're going to keep working on our morning routine, and then we're going to work on our evening routine. And today, while we're going to talk about motivation, I want to remind you that the reason we don't add some major thing to our routine every day is so that we can keep being consistent with the things that we've already added. Because you don't want to add too much too quick. Now, some people, they jump into the 31 days, they finish the 31 days, and they're like, yeah, now it's time to add this, and it's time to add this, and zone cleaning, and all the things, and they still burn out. Take all the time that you need to continue to work on your routines. They are the most important thing about this. The morning routine and the evening routine. Don't move on to something else until you feel like you really have those nailed. Don't move on until you know the routines and they really are habit. You're doing them every day without having to be reminded. Okay, so we're only on day 16, so we're not there yet. But today I want to talk about motivation. And sometimes when we're learning something new, we do need some motivation. And sometimes it's good to look outside of ourselves and to look at other people for motivation. Now, Marla Silly, the creator of the Flylady, she is the Flylady. She has a website with lots of information. You can go to her launch pad every day, and she has what she calls a morning musing. You can find that at flylady.net, and it's just kind of a little story every day to just kind of encourage you and motivate you. Maybe you want to look up videos online for the Flylady. She has a YouTube channel. She does live videos. There are other people that do Flylady videos that I have been very motivated by. Some of them, I'm just going to kind of mention a few. Kat from Living Your Best Life with Kat. I enjoy listening to Diane in Denmark, and then of course Steph from The Secret Slob. If you're needing some motivation, get some motivation. Turn on a video from one of these ladies and listen to it. Now, the biggest tip I want to give you is you might want to set a timer, just like we do with everything else, so that you don't get sucked into the YouTube vortex and stay there all day, because then you've wasted a whole bunch of time. You've gone from craving and looking for a little bit of motivation to being sucked into the vortex, and then you're not productive. So keep that in mind. That is a tip from Diane in Denmark, is to make sure that you are setting your timers even when you are looking at things online. There's so much power in a timer, and I'm learning this because in our minds we think, oh, I'm just going to sit down, I'm going to do this one little thing on my phone, and then 2 hours later, and then you haven't done anything productive. The other way that our timer is super important is for being productive. Sometimes we put things off because we think they're going to take a really long time, when in reality, that thing we've been putting off, it goes 2 minutes, or maybe 5 minutes, or maybe there was a project that we thought was just going to take hours. It took 20 minutes. Use your timer. Use your timer. It's very motivating. All right, guys, I hope you are still enjoying this series and enjoying the baby steps. If you're doing the baby steps with me, let me know down below. Let me know how it's going for you. Is there anything particular that you're really enjoying? Is there anything particular that's been super hard? Let me know. That way maybe I can give you a tip, maybe help motivate you. All right, thanks so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider hitting that red subscribe button down below, and I will see you tomorrow.